Above the Aegean Sea, time seems to stand still. Thassos reveals itself in simple colors: blue, green, and gold. The waves whisper stories, thousands of years old, and today, life pulses through small, lively towns and quiet streets where present and past meet at every step. The history of this place is not only found in books. It's felt in every street, in every glance, in every sunset. Thassos is not just an island. It is the joy that's shared, the light in the eyes of those who welcome you.